went up to 4 speed because I've been running without Yep, I have the 1 speed tail, and we're gonna work our way up there. Unlike other YouTubers, I'm not gonna use any Robux. If you guys don't know and you haven't seen yet, yes, I have switched to another account, and yeah, I'm gonna be posting videos on this channel now because I just made this one. I'm gonna make it for a video by accident, and now let's just say yeah, let's just say I can go stuck in. Anyway guys, I've been grinding without you, and you guys might not know, but when you have a tail it turns blue, and right now I'm big. I love this tail, baby. I got 4th them, guys. Let's see how many try got. 7 minutes. It's gonna take forever. Let's go run, y'all. I'm going. Hey, let's go. Guys, I'll be right back. Yo, chat, I'm back. Anyway, anything. Forget that and wipe it out of your mind. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but I was like shouting like a maniac. Oh my days. Now I'm so embarrassed. Oh dang. Damn. Oh my god. Now this is a whole piece of shit. Alright, but yeah, let's get into it. Get the heck out of here! Oh my days. You do not know how happy I am to finally get out of that place. Oh yeah, guys. What's this? 1 shrink per second. What the heck? I wonder what my brother's playing. If you guys don't know, here, Roblox right here, Roblox is me. Right now, his name is look up this Giga Bacon. You guys should totally check him out. Had a little fight, had an argument. We didn't get real close. We live in different houses now. Yeah, when you guys heard his voice shouting my name, he just came over. We barely talk to each other, and yeah. Well, you should check out his channel. He's pretty good thing.